Indulge in a slice of heaven with our pumpkin coffee ring recipe. Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat in store for you. A mouth-watering pumpkin coffee ring recipe that's perfect for those cozy autumn mornings. So grab your apron, turn up the fall vibes, and let's get baking. Ingredients. For the dough. 3½ cups all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 2 1/4 teaspoon active dry yeast. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, melted. 1/2 cup milk. 1/2 cup pumpkin puree. 2 large eggs. For the filling. 1/2 cup packed brown sugar. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 1½ teaspoons ground cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, softened. For the glaze. 1 cup powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons milk. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of flour, granulated sugar, yeast, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Mix well. In a separate bowl, heat the milk until warm. Add melted butter, pumpkin puree, and eggs. Whisk together until well combined. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, stirring well after each addition. Add the remaining flour, 1/2 cup at a time, until the dough comes together. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 5 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover with a clean kitchen towel, and let it rise in a warm place for 1 hour or until doubled in size. While the dough is rising, prepare the filling. In a small bowl, combine the brown sugar, granulated sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and softened butter. Mix until the ingredients are well incorporated. Once the dough has risen, punch it down and turn it out onto a floured surface. Roll it out into a 14 by 10 inch rectangle. Spread the filling mixture evenly over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Starting from one of the long sides, tightly roll the dough into a log. Pinch the edges to seal. Using a sharp knife, cut the log into 12 equal-sized slices. Grease a 10-inch tube pan or bundt pan. Place the slices, cut side down, into the pan, arranging them in a circular pattern. Cover the pan with a clean kitchen towel and let the dough rise for another 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Bake the coffee ring for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Remove the coffee ring from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. While the coffee ring is cooling, prepare the glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled coffee ring. Allow the glaze to set before serving. And there you have it, our delectable pumpkin coffee ring is ready to be enjoyed. Just imagine waking up to the warm aroma of pumpkin and spices, paired with a cup of your favorite coffee. It's pure bliss. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.